Howdy everyone, and welcome to the HeartBrand Ranch for a meetup. I'm JoJo Carrales, Vice President of HeartBrand, and with my wife and today my sous chef, Kaci Carrales. Most of y'all have seen us grill up, whether it's ribeyes or strips or fillets. And usually after a backyard grill out, sometimes you have some leftovers. So kind of what I wanted to show y'all today is what we do in our home when we have some leftovers, give you a couple of ideas. We're gonna make some street tacos, as well as some of my favorite sandwich ever is a cold steak with avocado and tomato sandwich. I think it just hits the spot every time we have leftovers. That's usually my go-to lunch right after that. So anyway, look forward to showing you a little bit about what we do with leftover steaks.
My favorite is actually doing the street tacos. I really like the flavor. Because
the Akushi beef is so rich, and a lot of times we're sharing that, you almost always have leftovers.
And we'll kind of show you as we go further into this, kind of how we prep and make our street tacos at home.
The product that we're going to work with today, the base of our base ingredient of our recipes today is leftover steak. So it's a leftover New York strip. You can do it with any cut, guys. You can do it with a tri-tip, a culotte. Get them cut up into some smaller cubes is what we like to end up with a product that kind of looks just like that. Kaci's going to put some Wagyu fat. She's going to put that right on the flat top. You get that on there, you can put a little bit, we're gonna use some of that HeartBrand Chop House, which is super basic, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. Put a little on there. And besides warming up the steak, I do think it's really good to get some sear and kind of make that carne asada flavor.
My favorite cheese that we put on here is it's a queso fresco. And then again, you can go with some of the cilantro. Kind of gives it that earthy, kind of really nice texture and flavor. And then you can just top it off with your favorite kind of salsa. This is ours, it's like a green kind of avocado-y type salsa. And you can just kind of top it off. And then the last thing, you would just add a little bit of lime.
So guys, now we have our street tacos here. And just think about like carne asada. I mean, this is gonna be the best meat you could possibly make with that. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. Really good cilantro flavor, a little bit of that lime, salsa verde, and that good crispy akushi meat goes really good with it. Now I'm gonna show y'all my favorite akushi sandwich. So this steak sandwich starts with leftover steaks. Today we're using strips. We're gonna slice them real thin and then put them over a nice brioche bun with a little bit of avocado, tomato, lettuce. It's gonna be excellent. Now realize when you have that steak and it's cold, you wanna slice this meat pretty thin. One of the uniquenesses that we've seen by using these akushi steaks is the tenderness that you can cut it real thin and it works great. Works great for a sandwich. I don't really think you can do this with just any steak, but the akushi tenderness, that extra fat really goes very well to have it kind of as a cold lunch meat in a good sandwich. Now that's a sandwich right there. You got akushi beef. Get your lettuce, tomato. I mean, that makes a heck of a sandwich. So cheers, everybody. This is what to do with leftover akushi steak. Once again, appreciate it.